Hello, everyone! Welcome back to the channel and to our special A2 vocabulary builder. We're going deep into 5 fantastic English words today that are essential for everyday conversation: wise, to brag, leather, barely, and regret. By the end of this lesson, you will be using them confidently. Let's dive in. Wise is a great adjective. It means having a lot of experience and knowledge, and using that experience to make good, sensible decisions. It's a deeper kind of cleverness. Let's see it in action. Example 1. My grandfather is very wise. He always gives me good advice. Example 2. Investing in your education is always a wise decision. Example 3. If something is a bad idea, we call it unwise. Leaving your passport at home was an unwise choice. The noun form of wise is wisdom. We can say, she has great wisdom. So remember, wise means making smart decisions based on experience. Next up is to brag. This is a verb, and it means to talk too proudly about yourself, your possessions, or your achievements, often in a way that annoys other people. Let's practice the verb forms. In the simple present, I brag, you brag, he, she brags. In the past simple, I bragged. Here are some examples using the verb and the present participle. Bragging. Example 1. He's always bragging about how much money he earns. Example 2. Don't brag, it's better to be humble. Example 3. As a noun. We can say bragging is not an attractive quality. If your friend keeps telling you he is the best at everything, what is he doing? He is bragging. Try to use this verb to describe someone you know. Our third word is leather. This is a common noun for a material. Leather is a strong, flexible material made from the skin of animals, usually cows, and is used to make durable items. We use it a lot in fashion and furnishings. Example 1. These boots are made of real leather and they will last for years. Example 2. Adjective use. I need a new leather wallet. Example 3. In a home context, we bought a comfortable leather sofa for the living room. Be careful with the word skin. When you talk about the material for products, you use leather. Your body has skin. Barely is a useful adverb that means only just, almost not, or with great difficulty. It always suggests a minimum amount or effort. Let's look at different situations. Example 1. Physical difficulty. I was so tired after the marathon, I could barely stand up. Example 2. Sensory experience. The music was so quiet, I could barely hear it. Example 3. Quantity. The small car had barely enough room for all the suitcases. Example 4. Time. We barely arrived at the station before the train left, meaning we arrived at the last moment. Barely has a negative feel, so we don't need to add another negative word like not in the sentence. Our final word is regret. This is very important as both a verb and a noun. It means to feel sad, disappointed, or repentant about something you did or did not do in the past. Let's look at the verb first. We usually follow regret with the ing form of another verb. Example 1. I regret leaving my job so quickly. Example 2. She regrets not studying harder for the test. Now, as a noun, example 3. I have many regrets from my younger days. Example 4. I quit my safe, boring job to travel the world, and I have no regrets. If you make a mistake and you feel bad about it, you feel regret. That's all 5 words. Let's do a quick final review. Wise. Good choices from experience. To brag. Talk too proudly. Leather. Material from animal skin. Barely, almost not, only just. Regret. Feel sorry about a past action. Try to write a short paragraph in the comments below, using at least 3 of these words. For example, I regret that I barely listened to my wise grandmother. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for your A2 English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more vocabulary lessons. See you next time.